So I think I'm uniquely qualified, at least by Nick Sean's standards, to give advice and to comment on somebody's trading approach. I've done it from a little bit different standpoint, at least recently, because I'm doing it while working a 9 to 5. Nick teaches from he's a full-time trader, so he started out early, young, or back in the day, 8 years ago, when he really dedicated himself to it. But I've also been able to show, at least right now, how it's been working with a 9 to 5 job. Now, understand, there are those who can teach but can't do, and then those who can do and can't teach. And there's a really, really small sliver of people who can do and teach successfully. So I've proven to myself that I can do. The question is, can I teach? And I think the answer is no.